Good morning, guys. This is Andrew, New England Gutter Systems, working on a gorgeous day here at Bedford, New Hampshire. I want to show you guys how we prep our gutter. What I've already done here is I go ahead and I make my angle cut here. It's more important on the side where the gutter is going to go highest, but this allows for us to get up under the drip edge with the end cap installed. Now for prepping this, there's a little ragged here, but it don't take much. You just want enough for the back of the gutter to slide up behind the drip edge. The hidden hangers that we have, we use Raytech, we love them. They go here, screw goes through it, seals it, binds it. So even if this was all wood, but you want it to be metal, having your gutter up here will allow no water to get behind it. Rot comes from splashback. Water goes into the gutter, usually when it's low hanging here. Should not be. I know it's easy, efficient, or it's easy, but it's not efficient. Send it up under the drip edge. Thank you. Stay tuned.